Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox without the app. Many players prefer the convenience of playing directly through a web browser, avoiding the need for a separate application installation. This approach offers flexibility, allowing you to jump into your favorite games quickly and easily. We will guide you through the simple steps to get started, ensuring you can enjoy the vast world of Roblox from almost any device with an internet connection. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of fun. The primary way to play Roblox without the app is by using your web browser. Simply open any modern browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge on your computer. Then, type Roblox. Come into the address bar and press Enter to reach the official website. Once there, you will need to log in with your account credentials. If you do not have an account, creating one is a quick and free process. After logging in, you can browse thousands of games and start playing instantly. Playing Roblox through your browser offers several key advantages. It is perfect for situations where you cannot install the app, such as on school computers or shared devices. You also save valuable storage space on your hard drive, as no application files are downloaded. This method provides incredible flexibility, letting you access your games from almost any location. For the best experience, always ensure your web browser is up to date, which helps with game performance and overall security while playing. While playing Roblox in your browser is highly convenient, a few considerations can optimize your experience. A strong and stable internet connection is essential to prevent lag and ensure smooth gameplay. Using a modern, updated browser will generally provide better performance than older versions. Keep in mind that for some very graphically intensive games, the dedicated Roblox application might offer a slightly more optimized experience. Finally, always remember to log out of your account, especially when using public or shared computers, to protect your personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.